potatoes. Hey guys, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. Today I'm going to make potato donuts. This is not remotely a new concept. In the 18th century, German immigrants in Pennsylvania were making potato donuts. They last longer, I guess kind of stay fresher because of the moisture content in the potatoes. So these German immigrants would traditionally make the potato donuts the day before Ash Wednesday in preparation for Lent to kind of use up all of the sugar and fats in the house. And so I guess they would just kind of pig out on donuts and then go cold turkey. In Utah, in the 40s, I believe, was actually the first donut chain in the United States. It wasn't Krispy Kreme, it wasn't Dunkin', it was a place called Spudnuts. And they specialized in potato donuts. They are still around independently in the US, but as a corporation, they kind of went under in the, I think it was the 60s or 70s because of some bad investments. But there are still some independently owned Spudnuts. Spudnuts? Yeah, they out there. Anyways, so today I'm gonna make potato pancakes. I already did that out. Potato donuts. I'm not gonna call them Spudnuts. Mainly because I can't say that with a straight face. So I have some leftover mashed potatoes. I say leftover. I cooked them specifically for this because there's nothing in them. It's literally just potatoes and I smushed them up. There's no butter, no salt, nothing at all. It's just potatoes, which is funny because some of the recipes were like, oh, a great way to use your leftover mashed potatoes, but you're supposed to use plain potatoes. So if you're making mashed potatoes with nothing delicious in them, you're not invited. You can't come over. There's something wrong with you. Let's do this. I'm gonna do purple because I like purple. Go from there. Oh, I might have messed up. Why is that so dark? Add small amounts. My bad. What did I do? What have I done? I might have made a tiny problem. Not on the donuts. The donuts, I think, cooked perfectly. I decided, oh, I see my teeth too. I decided that I wanted to make purple icing and did not realize that less is more with new food dyes. So it looks black. Oh, I'm smiling. Oh my God. This is actually really good. Despite dyeing your entire mouth blue. So the donut. The donut's actually really good. I was honestly kind of expecting it to be heavy. But it's kind of, it's got I can't take myself seriously. It's got a really light, fluffy texture. It's really good. 10 out of 10. Definitely would make these again. The one thing that wasn't in the recipe that I think should have been is there wasn't salt. So I think just like a little bit of salt would have made them like a lot better. I don't know what I'm going to make next week. I don't know. I have no idea. But I'm sure that it will be fun. And now I know for the future that gel food coloring, less is more. So yeah. Hope you guys are having a good week. I got to meet and get an autograph from one of my favorite authors, TJ Klune, who is an absolute like golden retriever of a human. But yeah, otherwise everything's good. A bit blue, but you know, shit happens. Yeah, I'll see you next Tuesday. Oh, so fucking terrible.